Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss important MCQs of Python. So let's test our Python skills. So I will discuss questions one by one. So these are very important questions. So first question is, what is the key difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy of an object in Python? Your options are: shallow copy creates a new object while a deep copy creates a reference to the original object. Option B, shallow copy duplicates the object and its references, while a deep copy creates a new object with copies of all the objects referenced by the original. Option C, shallow copy only duplicates the top level object, while a deep copy duplicates all levels of nested objects. Option D, there is no difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy. So question is the difference between a shallow copy and a deep copy of an object in Python. The right answer of this question is option B. Shallow copy duplicates the object and its references, while a deep copy creates a new object with copies of all the objects referenced by the original. Second question. In Python, what is the purpose of a list comprehension? Options are: list comprehensions are used to define functions for manipulating list. List comprehensions are a way to generate a new list by applying an expression to each item in an existing iterable. List comprehensions are used to perform mathematical operations on list. List comprehensions are used to create a list with just one element. The right answer of this question is list comprehensions are a way to generate a new list by applying an expression to each item in an existing iterable. Third question, which of the following is true about Python's garbage collection? Options are: Python uses reference counting only for garbage collection. Python's garbage collector is responsible for managing memory and deallocating objects that are no longer in use. Python's garbage collection is manual and needs to be explicitly triggered by the programmer. Python does not have a garbage collection mechanism. The right answer is Python's garbage collector is responsible for managing memory and deallocating objects that are no longer in use. Option B is the right answer. Question number 4. What does the GIL global interpreter lock in Python primarily affect? Options are: it limits the number of open file handles in a Python program. It restricts the use of multithreading for CPU-bound operations. It enforces naming conventions for variables. It controls the use of global variables in Python. Right answer is option B. It restricts the use of multithreading for CPU-bound operations. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a valid way to handle exceptions in Python? Options are: using the try, except and finally blocks, using the assert statement, using the trap keyword, using a custom exception class. The right answer of this question is option C, using the trap keyword. Next question. In Python, what is the purpose of iter tools module? Options are: it is used for performing mathematical operations on list. It provides a collection of tools for working with iterators such as infinite sequences and permutations. It is used for creating graphical user interfaces. It provides functions for interacting with external databases. The right answer of this question is option B. It provides a collection of tools for working with iterators such as infinite sequencing and permutation. Iter tools module is used if you want to work with iterators such as infinite sequences and permutation. Next question. How can you make a Python function take a variable number of arguments? Options are by using a decorator, by defining the function with the star args parameter, by using the where args keyword, by specifying a fixed number of arguments. So you can make a Python function to take variable number of arguments by defining the function with the star args parameter. Option B is the right answer. Next question. What is duck typing in Python? Options are a design pattern for implementing inheritance in classes, a type of error handling mechanism, a programming style that focuses on object's behavior rather than its type. Option D, a method for defining classes with multiple constructors. So right answer of this question is duck typing in Python means it is a programming style that focuses on an object behavior rather than its type. Ninth question. Which data structure is typically used to implement a priority queue in Python? Options are list, set, dictionary, heap. The right answer, if we want to implement a priority queue in Python, we should use heap data structure, so that right answer is option D, heap. Next question. What is the purpose of a Python virtual environment? Options are it is used to create isolated environments for running Python programs with different Python versions and dependencies. It is a tool for encrypting Python source code. It is used for running Python code on virtual machines. It is a package manager for Python. The right answer is the purpose of Python virtual environment is it is used to create isolated environments for running Python programs with different Python versions and dependencies. Option A is the right answer.